They've been winding up and down the road for a little while. I've been behind them. I think they're on drugs or something.
You have dialed emergency 000. Your call is being connected.
Emergency police, fire or ambulance.
Police, please.
What state and town is the emergency?
Toowong, Queensland.
Toowong.
T-O-O.
Queensland?
Yeah, that's right.
Thank you, Toowong, Queensland. Connecting police.
Yeah.
Okay, Telstra.
200892.
Thank you. Police emergency. Where's the emergency?
I'm on Ascog Terrace. A-S-C-O-G.
S-T-O-G. Terrace. Where's that?
It's in Toowong. A-S-C-O-G.
T or C?
C for
Charlie?
Charlie, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and what's happening there at Ascot?
There's been a car accident. This car just, no other car involved. He just went off the road. I'm not sure. There seems to be some medical problem with them, but yeah, they were just winding everywhere and then they've just crashed.
Alright, that's not coming up. Alpha Sierra Charlie Oscar Golf?
That's
Or
right.
Tango on the end?
Yeah, with Terrace. Yeah, Alpha Sierra Charlie Oscar Golf, Terrace.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not coming up in Toowong, that was all.
I've got no idea what other suburb it'd be.
Ascot Terrace. Alright. Get Toowong, see if I can get options for it. And Ascot Terrace come out for some reason.
Sorry, I just
Oh, yeah, you're right, it's got it now.
yeah.
Gone off the road. What sort of vehicle?
It's a blue Honda Civic.
Has he hit any other vehicles? What's he hit?
No, the person is still in the vehicle. There's a bunch of people around the vehicle talking to them at the moment, but they're not out yet.
Just one person in the vehicle?
I'm not sure. I'm sorry.
Okay. Alright, and you don't know what the trouble is? Probably needs an ambulance.
Possibly, yeah. Look, I've been following the car for like a kilometre. They were just winding all over the road. Yeah.
Alright. You would have to see the reg how easy enough with you, by any chance?
It's 506. Just let me. I for India, H for Hotel, V for Victor, I think.
No worries. Thank you very much. We'll try and get some out there. Please see what's going on, okay?
Okay, no worries.
Just whereabouts on Ascot Terrace, do you reckon? Long street or small street?
It's on near the corner with Jefferson.
Jackson?
Yeah, J-E-P-H-S-O-N. Yep.
Okay then, no worries at all.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
We'll get the police out there.
Thank you.
Thank you.